Welcome to Gr8. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to set up your company in our Gr8 system. Let's get started. This is where we start, in our site's login page. Enter your credentials and hit Login. The first page you are greeted with is your dashboard. Now let's start by clicking the Get Started tab. Here on the first page is the Setup Company Profile. You can upload your company logo, choose what classification you fall into, non-individual or individual. Put in your company name or your own name, then fill in your company information. General type, VAT type, branch code, fiscal calendar year, industry TIN, RDO, and from to date. Enter your company's address information, and lastly, for page 1, put in your contact information. Second page is where you upload your charts of accounts, or COA. We got downloadable Excel file templates ready for your use. Number, a unique or sequential number for tracking accounts. Code, the account number or code used for identification, e.g. 1000 for assets. Description, a brief explanation of the account's purpose or function. Financial statement, specifies where the account appears, e.g. balance sheet, income statement. Type, may define whether the account is a control account, summary account, or transactional account. Nature, indicates the normal balance of the account, debit or credit. With subsidiary, specifies if the account has sub-accounts or detailed breakdowns. Default account, marks whether this is a system-defined default account, e.g. default cash account, default retained earnings. Once you are done, proceed to page 3. In this page is where you will upload your employees' information. You can base your file on the description below, or again, we have downloadable templates that can ease up the process. For basic information, fill up all the information needed. First, last, middle, suffix, and their employee name. The employee code corresponds to their specific employee/accounts number for identification. For the complete information, like for the basic, it includes first, last, middle, suffix, employee name, and employee code. In addition to this is in which department, section, and unit the employee is assigned to. Also to be included is their address, all have different categories, their email address, contact number, as well as their delivery address, or if they have the same info as their actual address. Next is their reference, their contact's name, position, contact numbers, email, website. Lastly is the terms, cutoff, and their VAT type. Next page is for your vendors. Again, downloadable templates are available for your use. For basic information for individual vendors, you will have to fill up first, last, middle, suffix names, as well as include their TIN number and their trade num. Assign each of them corresponding vendor codes. For basic information for corporate vendors, inclusions needed are their name, TIN number, and their V8 type, as well as assigning them their vendor code. For the complete information for vendors, you will have to fill up all information needed. What their clarifications is, first, last, middle, suffix, and their vendor name, their TIN number, and branch code. Next is their complete address, each having their own specific needs and if they have foreign address. Next is their company's contact person's name, their position, contact numbers, fax if they have one, their email, and website if present. Following this are their terms, cutoffs, what VAT type they are, their account, license, and accreditation number, their trade name, full address, ATC if they have withholding tax, their bank details such as bank name, bank account number, bank name and code, their payment methods and memos. Next is for your customer information. Downloadable files are also available for your use. basic customer individual, include customers' first, last, middle, suffix, and their TIN number. Along with this is their corresponding code. For basic customer corporate, includes customer name, TIN number, their VAT type, and corresponding customer code. For complete information, this includes their classification, first, last, middle, suffix, customer, and trade name, what price level they are, TIN number, branch code, their billing and delivery address, including if they have foreign addresses, the company's contact person, position, contact numbers, fax, email, and website if present. Next is their terms cutoff, VAT type, account and license numbers, branch, SA code, license number, full address, their civil status, any valid government-issued ID, and cluster code. Also, don't forget their customer code. All of the uploading can be drag and drop, or files can be chosen. On the last page is your banks. This is where you input your bank information. No need to worry. Gr8 Books prides itself in ensuring our clients' information is fully secured. Once done, you can click Finish, and congratulations, you have completed the Gr8 setup wizard. Click Continue. It will take you back to the dashboard, and all your data will now be stored in the system. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to Gr8 Software Solutions.